Guys, I'm about to do a review for you guys on what lace. This is a Sensational Cloud 9 wig, and this is a 13 by 4 inch parting, guys. And I also got that lace tint stuff, so I want to try that as well, guys. So I've been opening her up a while ago. I got this a while ago, but didn't have a chance to do. So this is what the card looked like. And this is the lace tint spray, guys. So I'm going to take her out of the package. She is a light yaki. You guys see, she is a light yaki. And it does have the Swiss soft lace. And yes, guys, this is a synthetic heat safe fiber, guys. So if you guys see the construction of the wig, how it's made. And it has the 6 inch parting, a 13 by 6. So guys, what I'm going to do, I should have brought in, okay, let me try this. I'm going to use some of the lace wig spray. I've seen a lot of girls buy this, so I want to see what it do. And I'm going to use this as well as the ball cap. So I'm going to shake it up. And we're going to spray it, guys. If you see, it's changing the color of the lace. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer, guys, and dry this. Okay, so I sprayed it on, guys. I'm going to use the blow dryer, dry, and I'll come back. Guys, I have put this unit on, and this is what it is looking like. And it said it has the pre-plucking, guys. So this is what it is looking like close up. So I wanted to show you guys before I cut any lace or anything. So yeah, this is what the unit is looking like. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So now, guys, what I'm going to attempt, like I say, I've been trying to follow the youth because they really, our younger generations, they really are making these wigs look amazing. So, now that I have, you know, the what lace spray on there, guys. And I did pick this up. So if you guys are interested in this, this is called Lace Spray Tint. And you just put it in and it'll come up eBay, Amazon, or whatever. It's like $12, $13. But I did see a couple girls use Adore rinse spray, rinse and water, and make their own lace wig tint. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can go put in how to make your own lace wig spray. So as I just keep pulling, guys, but yeah, I think it looks like the hairline and stuff. I like it a lot. So just getting the part together. So I'm going to use the Got To Be spray and the Got To Be gel. So what I like to do, I like to take this and pull it back like this, guys. And then I'm going to put this on. So I like to do mines like that, so that when I push it back down, it goes in place. So I'm going to put this on right here, guys, and then the spray, and start making it tacky a little bit, then roll it over and bring you guys back. So give me a chance to get this all even out and on there real good. And then I'm going to come back when I start to attach it, then put it right here so that it can lay down the other parts of the lace. So okay, guys, I'm gonna dry it a little bit, and then I'll come back with you guys with the next step. All right, guys, so I did a little layer of that with the dryer, and now I'm gonna take this Got To Be freeze spray. Woo, woo, woo. I don't like when it runs down my face. Trying to stop it. Okay, I don't want it to run down my face. Okay, so then I'm going to take this, guys, and pull this forward. Pull it forward. Pull it forward, guys. And I'm going to dry it some more, guys. And when it get all the way dry, because I don't want to bore you guys with the drying, I'll come back. Okay? Guys, next step, I put a little clip so I can clip it back. So now what I'm trying to do is make sure that I got it lined up. And I took some scissors, and I got to turn this way for a second, guys, so I can see. And I cut this corner, and then I cut that corner, guys, so I could see. And now I want to cut this part off, and I want to cut this part. Ooh, my ear, don't cut my ear. Okay. Cut that part off. Okay, so now that I got those parts off, so now, guys, if you can see, I'm pulling more. I'm pulling more because now what I want to do is I want to get the baby hair out of the way, but I want to get this part sprayed down well so that I can have this part done. So, well, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't spray that part. I don't know. Like these little corners. Maybe I just use the gel. I don't know. Let's see. Let's spray a little bit to try to get that part locked in. But now I hope I don't make the baby hair hard by doing that. So, after spraying that part down, guys, I'm going to go in again with the blow dryer, and I'll come back with you guys the next step. Guys, so now I'm going to start, and I really can't see, but I'm going to start using this. I noticed a lot of the girls, they use this little gadget to cut the lace off. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hope I don't cut my forehead. So to remove the lace, I need a mirror. Okay, there we go. So yeah, they use this little nail thing, guys, to remove the lace. I mean, eyebrow stencil thing to remove the lace. So you just keep going around and removing the lace with this. So okay, guys, I'm gonna have to stop because I'm actually cutting the baby hair, and I'll finish cutting it and then I'll come back. As you guys can see, when I was cutting, I literally was cutting off the baby hair at the same time. So now what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of hair from around here because I accidentally cut the baby hair, guys. That's why you guys take your time. I don't know, every time I do videos live, I really get nervous on like messing up or something. Like, you know, like, oh gosh, like right there, I got too much hair. Okay, so now I got these little pieces because I cut off the other baby hair, and I'm just gonna go this way. So that's that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, guys, maybe I want to use some mousse. I don't know. Or maybe I use the edge control I made. So take this, put it right there, right there. If I can get it to go in the right spot. And then put it down here. Put it here, here, here. And I want to get this all over my makeup, then it makes my makeup run. So, and then guys, yes, this is a synthetic wig, and yes, I do sleep in it. I just pretty much roll it back. I'll show you guys that step too. So now guys, we're just gonna swerve the baby hair, and I'm just using the mousse, so it's probably not gonna lock it in too good because I'm using mousse instead of like a gel. Maybe I gotta use the gel. I don't know if I want that gel down at this moment, guys. So I may have to do it. I don't know. So overall, guys, I think the wig is lovely. And if you guys want to try it, try it. And no, I didn't get sponsored. I bought it with my own money. I watched a couple YouTubers videos, and I was real impressed with their wigs and how they looked it. So I was like, oh, I want to buy one. So yes, you guys can try it out. And yeah, see what you guys think about it. The hair is really like a nice soft yucky texture. When I was combing, I didn't get any shedding so far, but yes, I think overall it is very, very pretty. And like I say, it is synthetic, so you know, just keep in mind of that. But guys, if I sleep, when I do go to sleep in this wig, I take it like this, guys. Comb out the tangles from the bottom. Twist, 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 twist. Pin it up like this. Take this clip. Put this clip on there. Put this clip on there. And I'll put on a bonnet, guys. And I'll go to sleep in it. I'll go to sleep in it just like that. And get up the next day. Take the bonnet out. Take the bonnet off. Take the clip off. And uncomb it. I don't leave it downward. I do wrap it up to stop it from getting a lot of friction and tangles when I do sleep in the synthetic wigs. But overall, guys, I like it. I like it a lot. And yes, I think that the realistic hairline, they did a real good job on that, guys. So, as always, guys, woo! Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. The unit is heat safe, so if you guys want to use some flat irons on it, that's fine. Just don't crank it up too high where you might burn it. I think it's between, I'm going to have to look it up and tell you guys. But I like to take the flat irons and take it through the ends, and that kind of stop it from tangling. Let's see what it heats up to. I don't have my glasses on, guys, but just be careful. Read it and see what it heats up to. I turned my flat irons down to 160 just to be safe. I turned it down. So yes, guys, I like it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Okay, hope you guys have an awesome Wednesday. Bye bye, guys. It says it right here from 350 to 400 degrees. So yes, 350 to 400 degrees is heat safe. And remember, guys, with synthetic hair, if you guys want to curl it, you know, if you wind up buying this one with no curls in it, if you guys want to curl it, remember you just hold the curl until it cools, and you can get the curls in the synthetic hair. So don't worry if you buy it, you know, the wrap, and then later on you want to wind up curling it. So there you guys go. But yes, I love this unit, guys. So you guys have an awesome day. And I ordered mine off of Amazon, guys. So I got it off of Amazon, and I got it in, I actually went out of town, so I had prolonged the delivery. But you can get it like next day or 2-3 days, depending on, you know, if they got them available. So, alrighty, guys. You have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.